John Lesoke omukyalo kyaro kya Kigenga district ni Kabarole akirukanjira mu koti y'akakiiko ka human rights ng'omutabani agaba mugara akiitwa abapolisi ogu akiitwa abiro 20 by'okwezi kwa Kaswa omwaka 2029 najya mu polisi ekamukwata yamutaho omushango kwiba essimu omukwenda kutoroka ari polisi akagwa omugera Rwampara obo akomerwe empingo.
In any case, Baguma had been arrested in the barracks and was being taken to the police station. We do not believe that handcuffs are stored in the barracks. They are usually kept at the police station, so Baguma could not have been handcuffed in the barracks.
Court yaashaba a office zayo omuli Fort Poto yaabinga omushango ogu ngutugwine bwamushija oburukumara.
There was no evidence to show that SPC Tumusime killed Baguma or pushed him into the river. Baguma had already confessed to Byembabazi that he was in possession of Byembabazi's mobile phone, which he had kept at their home in Kigenga. It would appear to us that Byembabazi was mainly interested in recovering his phone from Baguma. Baguma was more useful to police alive and not dead.
John Lesoke ishe wa kifa tiasima asharamu y'akakiiko yagira ngo naza kujera.
Ako mwana akabaina ki omwana kaziri ntigo kanizira bisani zero omutubu gwa mwisi kanyonko kesara titekire isa ishwa munsango te njani tebete tingisemerirwe
akakiiko niko kamwe kagaruka kabinga omushango gwataddeyo binomugisa nawe akirukanjira mu koteji obwagumize ngo polisi ekambonabonesa ekyamurugiremu okuhendeka amaguru n'emikono.
Tadeo Bemugisa was never a victim of any human rights violation, but a half-clever man with a criminal mind who sought to defraud the state of taxpayers' money. For the reasons herein above, we find on a balance of probabilities and hold that the respondent's agents did not violate the complainant's human rights.
Emishango eji nemwe amishango 23 y'akakiiko ka Fort Poto katoni kakoraho omusabit eji ona.
13 of these matters are for decision or ruling. 6 of these matters will be coming up for first hearing. 3 matters are continuing and 1 matter is on defense.
Amakoraga gasha kwa Jonan Singwe.